This conference will now be recorded.
So in the previous session, we have discussed about the reports, and we have discussed how to configure the various types of reports in Salesforce, like tabular reports, summary reports, joint reports, and the matrix reports. So all these four types of reports we have discussed practically. So now today we'll see how can we configure the dashboards. It's a simple concept here. It's a simple concept. So we have to understand what exactly a dashboard, how can we design the dashboard, and how can we represent the dashboard on the application's home page. We'll see practically. Generally, what do you mean by a dashboard? What did you understood with the word dashboard now? Dashboard in the sense what?
Collection of reports.
No, not tabs. What do you mean by a dashboard? Now, let's see. For example, come to a small scenario here. Assume that we are studying in a college. Okay, it may be graduation, post graduation also, intermediate also, whatever. So in front of this office, they are going to be placing a small notice board. They will be having a notice board, or it is also called as a dashboard. So in this notice board, they are going to be representing the various information, like they are going to be having some notice information regarding the exam fees details also. Okay, what is the last date of that exam fee, and then what is the starting date over here, application submission dates, everything they're indicating some notice board. And along with that, they're placing the exam schedules also. So what will be the exam schedules? They're indicating one more notice over here, which will be indicating the exam schedules. And then they're going to be indicating that one more notice regarding some new admissions also. What exactly the new admissions and everything, they're indicating one more notice. They're indicating that holiday calendar also. So what will be the holidays which they have planned regarding the festivals? What are the holidays are available? They're indicating some holiday details also over here. Now, that means what? Inside this notice board, we are having that so much information. They're having different content is available over here, where it indicates the exam fee details also, and then exams schedules also, on what date the exams are going to start, on which date which exam is going to be getting conducted. They're indicating this exam details also. They're indicating the new admissions information also. They're indicating the holiday calendar also. Like that, they're indicating the various information inside this notice board. Like the similar way, we can able to have a dashboard in Salesforce. What do you mean by dashboard? Dashboard is going to be representing the complete glance of your business. Dashboard is representing the complete glance of your business here. So regarding my business here, I would like to configure a dashboard. I would like to configure a dashboard. So what a dashboard contains? Dashboard contains the various dashboard components. This is a dashboard component here. Dashboard component 1. So this is the dashboard component 1. This is the dashboard component 2. This is the dashboard component 3. So this is the dashboard component 4. So this is the dashboard component 4. Like that, here we can able to place multiple dashboard components, okay, within a single dashboard. Now, this each dashboard component is nothing but a chart component here. It is a chart component. Now, this chart component is going to be representing the data related to your sales. This chart component is nothing but it will be representing the data related to your sales. This is the sales dashboard here. It will be indicating the sales of my business. Now it is indicating the service. The service related data will be getting visible, like as how many cases that we have received today, how many cases has been closed, how many cases are working right now, how many cases are still pending, how many cases are escalated. The whole information we can represent in the chart component. So this is the chart component. One more chart component over here, which will be representing the details about your marketing. And then this is another dashboard component, chart component, which will be representing the data related to your finance also. Finance. Now in simple concept, we can say when coming to the dashboard, a dashboard contains a collection of dashboard components. A dashboard contains a collection of dashboard components. Each dashboard component is nothing but a chart component which represents a pictorial format of the report. As of now, we have configured so many reports over there. Tabular reports also, summary reports also, matrix reports also, joint reports also, multiple types of reports we have configured. And the summary report we are able to represent in pictorial format by using a chart component. And the matrix report we have represented in chart components here. But both are two separate reports over here. If you want to see, okay, if you want to see the matrix report data, then we have to open the matrix report over here. If you want to see that summary report data, we have to open summary report separately. Both the reports are separate here. But now I don't want to open each and every report separately to see the pictorial format. I want to accommodate all those chart components in one place over here. I want to represent all the chart components at one place. That location is called as a dashboard. So dashboard is going to be representing the various chart components. That each chart component is nothing but a dashboard component here. That each chart component is called as a dashboard component which represents the pictorial information of a report. Now, the first dashboard component is representing the sales data in the form of chart components. Second chart dashboard component is nothing but service related. Third one is for marketing. Fourth one is for finance. Like that, we can place maximum of 20 dashboard components within a single dashboard. A dashboard can have maximum of 20 dashboard components over here. That facility is available here. So instead of representing each and every department related data, like a sales related data, service data, and the marketing data, no need to see this data by opening each report separately. Then we can able to represent the whole, all the chart components in one place with the help of dashboard. Now, so as part of this dashboard, how to configure in Salesforce? How to create our own custom dashboard in Salesforce. In that dashboard, how to add our own chart components. Now, let's see practically here. Okay, now let's see. For example, I'm going to my Salesforce arc now. Let's go to the reports. We have configured various reports over here. Now I would like to create a dashboard. Now I want to create a new dashboard folder. Click on new folder button. I'm creating Tesla sales dashboard. Tesla sales dashboard. I have given the unique name also. Now my dashboard folder has been created. Inside this, I would like to create a new dashboard. So what are the reports that we have right now, which we have configured? These reports I would like to represent in pictorial format at one place by using dashboard. Now let's click on new dashboard button. In order to configure a new dashboard, just you can click on new dashboard button. Now specify the dashboard name over here. Tesla, the business dashboard. So Tesla business dashboard. I'm indicating this a description also. Select the folder name in which a folder you want to create the dashboard now. Now just now we have created a dashboard folder here. Now I'm selecting this folder. Click on create button. Now the dashboard has been prepared. In this dashboard, we can able to add your own components. What are the chart components that you want, we can able to add by using this. Okay, adding this component button here. Click on add component button. Now select the report here. Which report you would like to represent in the pictorial format. Now I would like to represent that, okay, Tesla customers with rating group. Select this report over here. Click on select button. Now it is asking you to select that chart component. In which chart component you would like to represent. I want to use this chart component over here. Okay, I would like to use this chart component. Or else we can able to select that the required report chart component, whatever you want. I'm selecting this chart component over here. Now select this chart component. And if you want to customize any report details, then you can customize that here. So now y-axis will be rating, x-axis will be records count. Depends upon the requirement, we can specify the records count. And the display units also over here. Now here decimal places will be automatic. And then I'm indicating this report title. The title of the report here, I'm indicating Tesla sales report. Okay, sales report. Now, I don't want to indicate any footer information over here. You want to represent this chart component in the form of light theme or the dark theme over here. Depends upon the requirement, we can specify here. Based on your requirement, we can specify either with the light theme or the dark theme also, whatever you want. Based on your business needs, you can able to specify that. Now, let's go with the dark theme now. Click on add. Now this chart component will be getting visible over here. Now, let me go with the light theme itself. Now here we have represented this. So now this is the sales dashboard here, which I'm indicating over here. Like the similar way, the service related here, I would like to add one more chart component. I want to indicate I'm indicating this Tesla opportunities report over here. Click on select. Now select the chart component. I would like to represent in this chart component over here. So this is the chart component which I would like to use. Now specify that values are record count. Show percentages also. I don't want to combine the small groups into the others group. Now I would like to indicate the title. I'm indicating Tesla revenue report. Tesla revenue report over here. I'm indicating this data. Click on add. Now it is adding this component also over here. It is indicating this. Now I want to show this component side by side. Just you can drag and drop. Drag and drop, and then you can able to represent. Like as your sales related dashboard, service related dashboard, finance related, like that multiple you can able to place over here. This is one dashboard component. This is second dashboard component. Like that multiple maximum of 20 dashboard components you can place within a single dashboard itself. Now I'm adding one more. Click on add component. I would like to represent the same ratings data over here. I want to represent in this format here now. Now the value will be records count based on the color by the rating field. Now I would like to indicate the title Tesla service report. Like that I'm indicating Tesla service report. Now let's see. It is adding this chart component now. Here I'm going to be adding this one. So we can represent your marketing related, sales related, service related data at one place over here by using dashboard component. But till now what we did, we are using the separate reports over there. If you want to see this chart component, open the report separately. As a CEO for the business, okay, as the head of the business, they can't open each and every report separately, manually, one by one, one by one, one by one. They want to see the whole business data at one place over here. Within a single dashboard itself, they would like to see all the data related to their business, sales related, finance related, banking related, service related, marketing related, everything they would like to see the whole glance of their business at one place with the help of this single dashboard itself. So within a single dashboard, we can able to place multiple dashboard components also. These are the various dashboard components which we have represented over here. Now, so once you have placed this dashboard components, then we can able to save this dashboard also. Click on this save button. Now run the dashboard also here. Click on done. Now it is running this dashboard over here so that we can able to see the data. Now we can able to see the sales related over here. We can able to see this data as well. It is clearly indicating the whole information also. Because how many prime customers are available, basic customers, everything it will be representing over here so that we can able to see this. Here also we are having this data over here. Total number of records also. And then it is having the stage wise report also. It is indicating total 32 records are available over here. Now we can able to see the whole information also inside this. Depends upon your requirement, we can able to represent this data also. Next one. And here we can able to indicate this. The same, the rating wise report I'm going to be indicating for like as a service over here. It is indicating that same data as well. Depends upon the requirement, we can able to represent this data as well over here. Now, suppose in the background, if somebody is going to be creating some new records, automatically we can able to update this data also over here. Okay, we can able to update this data also over here. Now let's see, for example, as of now with the heart rating records, how many records are available? We are having this. Okay, 10 records are available. Okay, 10 records are there with the customer type as basic, and then we are having 4 records are there with the type as prime. Now, let me create some records in the background right now over here. Now, I would like to go to my developer console. Through programming, I will insert some records over here. I would like to take some code from my previous batch. For the current batches also, let me take some code in order to create some new records inside my object. So let me insert some records now. I'm going to be using this data here. Now, I'm writing some piece of code over here in order to create a new records. Now I'm going to be inserting this record over here. Now I'm trying to be inserting some 10 records inside my object over here. So now from this one, I have given this record names over here. Like for example, some test account hyphen counter. I'm giving the rating value here, and then industry, and then annual revenue, type and the ownership, phone and the fax, website, billing city and the state, billing country, customer priority, active status. Now here I'm indicating some values. Now, so now here for few records, that means here for the 8 records, I'm giving the annual revenue as 18 lakhs. That means like as basic type. 2 customers will be having that 1 crore, okay, 50 lakhs over here. Like as these are nothing but prime customers. I'm adding some 10 records over here. From out of this 10 records, 8 records will be of basic customers and the 2 customers will be of type prime customers over here. Now, let's see. So now as of now, how many records are available right now? With the rating value hard, I'm having 14 records. Now I'm adding 10 records more. From out of this 10, okay, 8 will be basic customers. As of now, 10 basic customers are available. Now I'm adding 8 records more. So 18 basic will be there. As of now, 4 prime customers are there. I'm adding 2 more also. So 6 prime customers. Total, we will be having that 24 records will be available over here. Let me execute this piece of code. I'm trying to be inserting these records now. Now my records has been inserted successfully over here. Now this chart component is not refreshed. Then what we can do, just we can click on refresh button. That means here, now as a head of the business, I'm looking into my chart components here. That means report. Now, maybe in this meantime, some business has been happened over here. I want to collect the latest business data I want to see. For that reason, just you can click on refresh. As soon as once you click on the refresh button, okay, behind this particular chart component, whatever the report is available, it will run the report, get the latest data, it will represent in the chart components over here. Now click on refresh here. Now it is indicating this data here. Let's see. We are having 18 basic customers are available, and then we are having 6 prime customers are available. So that latest data also we can see. Depends upon your requirement, we can able to see that latest data also always with the help of this kind of chart components. Just you can able to click on refresh button and it is going to be refreshing the latest data also for you here. Okay, so simple concept is if you want to represent this dashboard component, the data source is nothing but report. Whatever the data that we have inside the report, the same data will be represented in pictorial format that is called as a dashboard component. So we can place the multiple dashboard components within a single place that is called as dashboard. It's like as a container. It's like as a placeholder where we can place the multiple dashboard components, which will be representing the pictorial format of the various departments of your business as well. Sales related dashboard, service related, finance related, marketing related, everything we can able to represent it over here. Clear? Now, so once this dashboard component has been getting prepared, how to place this dashboard component inside my application? Now, this dashboard component I want to represent, okay, on the home page of my application over here. On this home page here, I want to place my dashboard component. Generally, to see the dashboard, we have to go to the reports tab or dashboards tab, open the dashboard, then only we can see that dashboard related data over here. My business data we can see. But I don't want to click on this dashboards tab, click on the dashboard name every time. I don't want to do that because I'm not a technical guy. I'm just a business person here. So whenever I'm logging into my Salesforce R, at the home page itself, I should be able to see the whole business glance at one place. For that reason, how to place that dashboard component in this location? Now let's see. Now Just to go to your application, so home page, click on the home tab, click on the setup menu, click on edit page. Now this home page will be visible to you in the editable format by using Lightning App Builder. This is the Lightning App Builder component here. Inside that we can able to see that editable format of your whole page. Now here in this place, in the quarterly performance component place, I want to place my own dashboard component which we have prepared. In the left panel, we are having some 32 the standard components has been given by Salesforce. I want to show my dashboard over here. Just you can drag and drop. I want to place my dashboard component here. It will represent the dashboard component in this place. Now, here I want to place this today's events. Today's task, I want to place it over here. And the today's events, I would like to place it over here. And then I would like to represent the key deals also. I want to place it. Now, these are the various components which I have adjusted. So once you are placing this dashboard component, now click on save button. As soon as once you click on save, click on activate. Select the applications. Now for which applications you want to make it visible. Assign to apps. For what applications you want to make it visible. I want to make it visible for Merck Pharma, Pharma's Insurance Lightning, Big C Sales. For these three applications only, I want to make this component to be get visible. The chart component, dashboard component should be visible. Click on next. Make it save. Click on save button. Now done. Let's go back. Now when you go to the home page, we can able to see your dashboard over here. Whatever the dashboard that we have configured, we can able to see that dashboard over here. Okay, inside this home page of your application. We can able to see this whole data also depends upon the requirement. We can able to see this whole data also based on your business needs also over here depends upon your requirement here. Okay, so we can able to see the complete whole glance of your business at one place by using this dashboard components. Not only preparing the reports, okay, we can represent the reported data in pictorial format that is called as a chart components. Those chart components are also called as dashboard components in Salesforce. So we can accommodate the multiple dashboard components at one place that is called as a dashboard. So within a single dashboard, we can place maximum of 20 dashboard components. That means 20 chart components we can place within a single dashboard itself. Okay, clear? Now, make a note of this one here. Dashboards. As part of analytics, Salesforce provides a feature called as dashboards, which is used to represent the pictorial format of the reports. Pictorial format of the reports. Now, we can prepare the chart component of the required report. For example, sales, service, marketing, finance, etc. And we can represent the chart components inside the dashboard. Inside the dashboard. For each dashboard component, the data source should be a report. Report is the data source for the dashboard component. We can place maximum of 20 dashboard components inside a dashboard. Within a single dashboard, we can able to place maximum of 20 dashboard components. Now, by using dashboard, we can represent the complete glance of the business at one place. We can represent the complete glance of the business at one place. Once the dashboard has been configured, then we can represent the dashboard inside the application by using App Builder. By using App Builder tool. Let me show you the navigation. Click on the required application name from App Launcher. From App Launcher. For example, sales. Click on Setup menu. Click on Edit Page menu item. Click on Edit Page menu item. And the dashboards component from left panel and add it to the application page at the required place. Click on Save button. Click on Activate button. Select the required application names to whom the component, that means the dashboard, should get visible. Click on Save button. So this is the navigation we have to follow in order to represent the dashboard onto your application's home page. Done? Now, done with this? Now, this is the concept of reports and dashboards as part of your Salesforce arc. Okay? Now, so the next feature is we are having the formulas.
Scroll down to the bottom, please.
We are having this formulas, and formulas topic we'll see in tomorrow's session. Tomorrow I will show you that formulas concept over there. Okay? So today I'm ending up the session a bit early here because of some throat pain today. So tomorrow we'll be having the session. And one more thing, tomorrow morning at 9:30 we have the session as usual. Okay? Tomorrow and day after tomorrow we are having the sessions 9:30. Okay? Now, because so that we can complete that part. Okay? So by 30th I would like to finish it up, this complete admin part. Usually I would like to take this flows topic in development sessions over there. But by that time, few people are not available because few people are joining only for admin part. So those people are missing those part over there. Okay, that's what here I would like to complete those flows topic also as part of admin. That's what I'm taking of the sessions on weekends. Okay. So tomorrow we'll be having that formulas topic here. Monday we'll be having the concept of validations and from there security concept. Because security will be the last topic for that. Okay, that will be a lengthy topic. We'll see each and every feature. Okay. Thank you.
Excuse me, sir.